Bangasi vale mageta para skelem key.
Game like a Tory, you so special.
I'm here to work hard, teenage pinga chamitambo. Itiba zwenda tera chingo tera zwa mishasho.
Still the Van Rap Radio ngazina ndiduka ndisuhana ndingwana ndiwa mahongoni ndibafuna zone basudibazoroza zorali it's all about hits, it's all about news, it's about entertainment. So wabona mapungu ane parari ko pfa bathu ba kudiamba bangwe bachiri hezwi bangwe bari hezwi la. So rari richiko do confirm ari sawa ari kona ngongo yo rukutangana mini until ene munhu achidangwara komba khadibulana musi ngane nginga bo machiloni nyana abakhwambori no arali vakubona tereke hilani sugar aithufela sela zona ndo zone ndichikwamba ndo base khore huna imwe party ne isokulira husina maipfi yasokulira about a minute or two, something like that. Abakhwambori aithufela track. So uzoitea na musi hayi o confirm bangwe bakho busori track ndakhwamba ndipi di sugar. So okwamba zori ela track no fi sugar o feature Mampintsha. And then idova unia kova hone ikoyova usikare like probably dova this month ngaba unongwedzi wa July unia ko drop feature Mampintsha ndo kwambora Mampintsha nduri auto posa mbilu yawo yothepelera kha track aimba imbelela zunzo do kwambori vele anifahambi ni buyelelana kuna chukela. I'm just saying as lyrics za hone and then ko to diamberabo. So we're expecting a massive hit in the way go da ichiko vanenge ine abodori kabari gange West Inc na ngeno kama Makhadzi vachikutangana and give us this brand new song in the episode of sugar. So are we happy to see this? We're happy to see this collaboration. I hope most of the artists they are learning ori ningasi feature majita kaslanu page na expect you're gonna just blow up. You need to work with other people. We're seeing the preaching writer bangoza no dibandira we jiandira jenisa video we jiandira yori we need to put our music out there. So you should do the same. You should learn to feature majita but dibanji but nanga feature na man. It's not all about money, it's about working together and growing the brand. So we're happy to see Makhadzi will be running the band and then she's just gonna be dropping a brand new song, Sugar. I wishing what I'm better on ever on river. What of a piece yaronyana. I think out and below the go to watch the nyanori, but feels only go sugar and combat reke pio, Wakungwana mus. Yeah, so the track I'm playing nenda pioneer a little bit kana tabaka background the track ina wori ko feature Mampintsha. So zimwe zwinji ndizo zori track zawo zolikiwa zi out there but bako zitamba but bako tamba unofficial finished tracks. And then we want to performance yawe come massive music in our Tamaka channel ako perform at the same track. So I'm hoping you know what we're gonna enjoy more music husikare ne ngadzina ndiduka ndiswana ndingwana ndo mahunguni so ndangatoba budzazo ndizori. Don't forget to subscribe, to follow us. You are one ka Twitter the name Van Rap Radio _nema wa mahunguni ka Facebook Venda Music and Entertainment or about 0826937124 ndika WhatsApp Mampintsha lototorera bakolibona kelo nepo baroimba man oimba. So we hoping the greatest thing and then we say thank you very much ne amara here. It's not ambazon really better to there.